Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to install an M2 NVMe SSD using Anchor plastic buckle on an Asus Prime motherboard. First, install the rubber onto the motherboard. Double check at the back of the motherboard if it's properly locked in place. Second, add the M2 SSD diagonally. Make sure to position it properly and at the right angle. Lastly is to firmly push the rubber pin into the hole. It should make a click sound.